Listen, this might be the most important money video you'll watch this year, especially if you are looking for a way to invest your money. Right now, while people are chasing after crypto, betting apps, and questionable Ponzi investments, thousands of Nigerians are quietly investing as little as 5,000 naira in something safer, smarter, and surprisingly profitable. It is called a mutual fund. In fact, the total money invested in mutual funds in Nigeria has now cost over 5.9 trillion naira and is still going. But here is the truth. Most people still don't understand what a mutual fund really is, how it works, which one to choose, and how to actually start. And that is where I come in. In this video, I'll break it all down step by step in simple, clear language, just straight up knowledge, and read examples of how Nigerians like you are using mutual funds to build real wealth quietly. If you have ever said, I want my money to work for me, this is your video. So do one thing right now, tap the like button, subscribe, and let's start your investment journey together. No pressure, no hype, just real money talk. Okay, let's break this down like I'm talking to my younger cousin in Lagos who just got his first job and is asking what exactly is a mutual fund. Imagine this. Let's say you want to buy a whole cow for Christmas. You can't afford the full 400,000 naira alone. But what if you gathered your friends, 10 of you, and you all contribute 40,000 naira each? You buy the cow, share the meat based on how much everyone puts in, and nobody had to break the bank alone. That is exactly how a mutual fund works, but with money, no cow. Another simple definition for your understanding, a mutual fund is a pool of money collected from different investors like you and me. Then that money is then managed by financial experts who invest it into things like company stocks, treasury bills, bonds, real estate, or a mix of them all. At the end of the day, if the investment goes, we all make money based on how much we contributed. If the fund made 1 million naira profit and you contributed 10% of the total money, you get 10% of that 1 million naira. Another relatable example is the cooperative style. You know how office people do ajo or cooperative savings, right? Everyone contributes monthly, and at the end of the year, the cooperative gives loans to members or invest the savings. Then they share profits and interest back to you based on your share. That is basically a mutual fund. Only this one is managed by professionals and is also regulated by SEC. And you don't need to know anyone to join. Mutual fund is so powerful because instead of trying to buy Dangote cement stock on your own or figure out treasury bills from CBN confusing sites, mutual funds make the decisions for you. They spread your money across different investments, like sharing your risk. So even if one doesn't perform well, other will. It is called diversification without stress. Here are other benefits of mutual funds. You can start small, as little as 5,000 naira. You don't need to be a finance guru. Your money will be professionally managed. It is safer than throwing money into the next quick cash trend. You can as well get access to multiple investments with just one transaction. Now, some people might want to ask, what if I want my money back? Great question. You see, mutual funds are not like buying land or building a house where your money is stuck. Most mutual funds are liquid. you can withdraw in 1 to 3 working days. Depending on the fund, some even pay dividends weekly, monthly, or quarterly. It is like planting a money tree that grows little by little. And when you need to pluck some fruit, you can. Are you still with me? If this made the mutual fund easier to understand than ever before, type "Now I get it" in the comments. And don't forget, your first step to growing wealth is understanding it. We are just getting started. Now that you have a little idea about mutual funds, let's talk about types of mutual fund. Before you invest a single dollar or naira, you need to know this. Not all mutual funds are the same. Some grow fast but are risky. Some just sit right at the middle. But let's break it down. Number 1 is money market funds. This is the simplest and safest type of mutual fund in Nigeria. Imagine putting your money in a fund that acts like a better version of your savings account. But instead of 4% per year like your bank, this one gives you 18 to 25% in some cases without touching risky stocks. What does money market fund invest in? They invest in treasury bills, commercial papers, fixed deposits. You see, money market funds is like giving your money to a strict but generous uncle who says, "I won't double your money overnight, but I will grow it steadily and return it with interest." Money market fund is perfect for students, salary earners, side hustlers, anyone saving for short-term goals like rent, school fees, or December shopping. This year, there are top performance on money market fund. They are Cardinal Stone Money Market Fund. It returned 24%. Z-Crest returned 22%. Stanbic IBTC also has a steady and reliable growth. So, if you are tired of your bank using your savings to get rich while you get peanut interest, this is the best option for you. And another type of mutual fund is balanced funds. If you want to make more than money market, but you are not quite ready for full risk, you can enter balanced funds. Balanced funds mix both safe investment like treasury bills and growth investments like stocks. Think of it like mixing risk and low risk. You get growth and safety. What inside balanced funds? 50 to 70% of the fund you invest will be put into stocks for growth, while 30 to 50% will be put into fixed income for stability. We have top performance this year like Coral Balanced Fund. This year alone, they've returned 49%. There is also Alpha Morgan Balanced Fund has returned 42%. Also, United Capital Balanced Fund are also consistent in their profits. The Balanced Fund is perfect for young professionals, small business owners, people saving for house, car, or their japa plans. If you can handle risk but not too much, this is your sweet spot. And another type of a mutual fund is equity fund. This one is so wild but it's rewarding. It gets so exciting but a bit risky. Equity funds are for people who want to see their money really grow and they are okay with ups and downs along the way. These funds invest mostly in company stocks like MTN, Dangote Cement, Zenith Bank, Nest2, and all of that. So if the stock market is booming, you are smiling. If the market shakes, you may feel it, but long term, equity funds tends to outperform every other type of mutual fund. Did you know that Alo Equity Fund had already did 110% in just 1 month in early this year? Also, Frontier Fund has returned 72% year to date. Equity fund is perfect for long-term investors, people saving for retirement, 5-year plans, or people with big dreams. People who can sit tight and not panic if prices go up and down. But be warned, this is not the fund for your rent money. This is for money you can leave alone to grow and come back later to enjoy. Now, let me quickly make a recap. Money market fund can return between 8 to 25% per year. It's good for beginners and it has a low risk. Balanced fund can return 20 to 50%. It's good for workers and long-term savers. It's having a medium risk. While equity have a high risk, it can return from 30% upward. So the big question is, which one should you go for? The answer depends on how you want your money to behave. If you want your money to go slowly but carefully, go with money market. If you want a confident mix, go with balance. If you want risk for bigger gains, equity is calling your name. Either way, I believe you are more smarter now than before you start watching this video. So by now, you are probably thinking, this mutual fund thing makes sense, but how do I actually start? Let me show you the step-by-step process that even your 16-year-old cousin can follow. No confusion. And the best part, you can do it all from your phone, right there in your bedroom. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can begin your mutual fund investing today. Now, here are the step-by-step process. Step 1. Pick the type of fund you want. First, ask yourself one simple question. Do I want my money to go fast, steady, or safe? Want safety? Go for money market fund. Want steady growth? Choose balanced fund. Want long time but big returns? That is equity fund. Don't just follow trend, follow your money mood. This means think about how long you want to invest. Is it short term, medium term, or long term? Step 2. Choose a trusted mutual fund platform. Now, you don't need to go to any bank or dress corporate. These Nigerian platforms let you invest in mutual funds online, in your boxers or even in your wrapper. Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, ARM Investments, United Capital, Cowrie Wise, Rise Vest, Chapel Hill Denham, Meristem Wealth, Cardinal Stone. These are SEC-regulated and have mobile-friendly apps or websites. If you can download TikTok, you can open an investment account. It's literally that easy. Step 3. Open your free account. Once you choose a platform, go to their website or download the app. You'll need your full name, email address, phone number, bank account, BVN for verification, and sometimes a selfie or ID for security. This takes less than 5 minutes to open a mutual fund account with this firm. Opening a mutual fund account is now faster than opening a bank account and no queue. Step 4. Fund your account wallet. After your account is ready, you see an option like add money or fund wallet. You can transfer from your bank app, use your debit card, or you can as well pay through USSD. Forms allow as low as 1,000 naira, but most start at 5,000 naira. If you can buy shawarma or data this weekend, you can start investing right from this week. Step 5. Select a fund and invest. Now comes the exciting part. You see a list of available funds with their name like money market, equity, balanced. You also see the performance history. This is where you see how the fund has performed over time and sometimes the expected return. You choose one. Click invest or buy units, enter the amount, and boom, you are now an investor. Just like that, you've joined the leagues of people whose money is working even while they are sleeping. And step 6, monitor and grow your investment portfolio. Most platforms send you weekly or monthly performance report. They send you dividend notifications. Also, they send market updates. You can withdraw anytime. This is the beauty of mutual fund. You can as well invest your earnings for compounding magic. Although the money you invest today may not shout, but give it time and it scream well tomorrow. Start small. Stay consistent. Even 10,000 naira every month in a mutual fund can change your finances in 1 to 2 years. It's not about how much you start with. It's about how much you keep showing off, adding more money to your investments and growing your investment portfolios. If you are ready to start, drop a comment below saying, I am ready to invest now. And if this is the easiest money lesson you've heard, it's like, smash subscribe, and let's keep building real wealth one smart step at a time. Thank you for watching this video today, and I see you in the next video.